gentlemen, introducing DJ Afraid and my homeboy, Limo.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Thank you for tuning in. If you're new, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming and always coming back. My name is Edna Umbe.
And I am on Belle Marlon. You know, today we've been doing some treasure hunting. We are at the beach, the Ambers Bay of Limbe. I found some treasure, guys. Watch out until we tell you what this is about.
Yes, guys, so the first thing after church was to get some ice cream to cool off. It was really sunny today, and we were headed for the zoo and the botanical garden. But as you will notice, by the end of the video, we didn't make it to neither the zoo nor the botanical garden because of some kinds of mishaps. I don't know, but some stuff happened, and then we lost our way. We lost our way, guys. We went off. Okay, but thankfully we didn't just want to go home like that. I mean, just like that. So we decided to go back to where we took our wedding pictures so that we could just have some pictures too, and then just enjoy the view, and then just remember a lot of stuff. It's 4 months already. Yay! Congratulations to us. And forever to go. So we just, but don't mix it up, guys. If you're in Limbe, don't think that we cannot get lost. I know where the zoo is. We know where the zoo is. But this road we took, they did not make sense, and they did not lead us to where we wanted. Yes. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please do and like and subscribe and share and all of that good stuff.
It's a vibe, see your love, it was brand new. I know I don't deserve it. Your love is overwhelming. It's a vibe, it's your love, it was brand new. So I said, do, I'm gonna do. I thank you and I bless you for your love. So I said,
Babe! What's that? I know this thing.
Yeah,
Used to
then you
play.
scrub on the floor, then they...
More music at divineflavor.com.
This is it, guys. We just took pictures upon pictures and just enjoyed ourselves. The view, God is amazing to have created such a beautiful
yourself,
world.
wow.
The sky, the ocean, the waters,
did I
and
land
everything
you?
was simply amazing. Thank
You're the
God
most beautiful
for that,
thing I've ever
which
seen
He
in my
does
life.
on a daily.
And I'm so
Okay,
grateful
guys.
for
So this was how we look at wedding pictures. Yay! See, we came back to memory lane. Don't forget to like, to subscribe if you haven't, and hit the notification bell to get notified when we drop a new video. We'll definitely be dropping videos this week. Do not be left out. And yeah, please like so that our videos is going to be recommended to other people to watch. Bye. Love you.